Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from gift card to Cash App. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So before getting started, you simply need to know that there is no direct method that you can do that. So alternative method are available. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for sell gift card. So basically you need to sell your gift card and you find different websites. You can use any website and sell your gift card and get that in Cash App. And the other method is you simply need to open your PayPal and link your Visa card here and sell your gift card, and after that you can receive that in Cash App. So these are the two methods that you can use. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.